Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup NVMe media to an external Thunderbolt enclosure, complete guide step by step clearly. Before you begin, ensure your workspace is clear and you have all necessary tools at hand. Start by gathering your NVMe SSD and the external Thunderbolt enclosure. Consult the specifications of your Thunderbolt enclosure to confirm compatibility with your NVMe SSD. Power down your computer and unplug it from the power source. If applicable, open your computer case to access the NVMe SSD. Carefully remove the NVMe SSD from your computer. Next, open the external Thunderbolt enclosure following the manufacturer's instructions. Insert your NVMe SSD into the M.2 slot of the Thunderbolt enclosure. Secure the SSD in place using the provided screws. Close the enclosure, ensuring all latches are properly engaged. Connect the Thunderbolt enclosure to your computer using the Thunderbolt cable. Power on the Thunderbolt enclosure. Once powered on, your computer should detect the new external drive automatically. If the drive does not appear, check that all connections are secure and the enclosure is powered. Next, open your File Explorer to view the external Thunderbolt drive. Select the files or folders you wish to backup from your NVMe SSD. Drag and drop the selected files into the external Thunderbolt drive or use the copy and paste method. Wait for the files to transfer completely. Ensure the progress bar indicates completion before proceeding. Once the transfer is done, safely eject the external Thunderbolt enclosure from your operating system. Finally, store the external Thunderbolt drive in a safe location for future use. Your backup process is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.